Morning children, welcome back to English class. Okay, yesterday till here we have completed. Hope you all did done with your homework. See next one, practice the concept of similes 4b and 4c. That means in companion we have to see children. See in 4b already we have completed in previous class. Isn't it? See for example, I love your dress. It is as colorful as a rainbow. Isn't it? Like this we already completed. Now let's see the 4C children. Companion page number 27. 4C. Now read here. Match the simile in column A with its meaning in column B. That means here simile is there. You have to match the another simile meaning. It will be in column B. Okay, let's see children. First one, run like the wind. Run like the wind. Swim like a fish. As clear as crystal. As hard as rock. As good as gold. Next, to be strong. To understand something clearly. To move quickly. To be in good condition. To swim well. Okay. Now see children. Run like the wind. Run like the wind what? Yes. To move quickly. Like this you have to draw children matching line. Okay. And next. Swim like a fish. What? To swim well. Yes. Here. As clear as crystal. To understand something clearly. Isn't it? Yes. Now next one. As hard as rock. Yes. To be strong. Next one. As good as gold. To be in good condition. Okay. Like this we join the simile with its meaning. Isn't it? Now next see children. Choose two similes from figure A. Figure A means this one. Okay. Write sentence for each of them. Okay. That means what you have to do? From these similes you have to take two similes. From these five you have to take two and you have to frame two sentences here. Okay. That means you can take any simile from this. ఈ 5లో నుంచి ఒక 2 similes తీసుకుని ఆ similes ద్వారా ఒక 2 sentences frame చేయాలి. Okay. This is your homework children. Please note down. This is your homework. Companion page number 27 is your homework. You have to do it by your own children. Okay. Try to do this one. Now let's go back to our studio. Okay. Open studio children. Studio 52. See here in 4.7. Pick the best word from the box to complete the simile. That means here help box they have given. Now you have to pick one word to complete the simile. Now tell me children. First one. As cool as peacock. No. Cucumber. Maybe. Lily. No. Feather. No. Snail. No. That means as cool as cucumber. Right here. C-U-C-U-M-B-R. Cucumber. Next. Proud like a snail. No feather. No lily. No and peacock. Yes. Okay. Proud like a peacock. P-A-C-O-C-K. Peacock. Next. Soft like a lily, feather or snail? Yes, feather. See the spelling? Feather. F-E-A-T-H-E-R. feather. Okay, next. As white as a snail or lily? Yes, lily will be in white color, isn't it? Right? Lily, Lily, lily. Okay, next see, slow like a snail. We all know that snail will walk very slowly, isn't it? Yes, snail. Like this you have to write this 4.7, children. Next see, page number 53, second question. Choose two similes from the list on the previous page and frame your own sentences. That means what you have to do, you have to take some similes from these 5. You have to take two similes and you have to frame 2 sentences. Okay, here I will help you. Here listen carefully, children, then you can do your homework properly. Okay, I will show how to write. Please listen. Okay, we will take first as what we will take, cucumber we will take. See now, my mother never gets angry. My mother never gets angry because she is as cool as what? Yes, a cucumber. Children, don't forget our structure. Okay, how the structure will be? Tell me. As, adjective, as, and a article, and the noun we have to follow. Okay, as, adjective, as, article, and noun. Like that, write first one. My mother never gets angry because she is as cool as a cucumber. Next one, what we will take? We will take last one. Okay, snail. Now see, children, snail. We will never reach. We will never reach school on time. We will never reach school on time if you walk slow like a snail. Okay, see here also structure we are following. Verb, like, article, and snail. Isn't it? Verb and like, article, and snail. Like this, children. And next come to summary part. Okay, summary. Write 3 examples of similes. Okay, that means you have to write 3 examples. Okay, I will give children. See, lion. Okay, if lion is there, how we will write a simile? If you take a lion, as brave as, structure A, as, brave means adjective, again as, article A, lion, 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 as brave as a lion. Okay, it is the structure. And as busy, 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 article, as a bee, same. Okay, as busy as a bee. And next one, we will write the next structure. We will use like. Like means first what we have to write? Yes, verb. Hard, verb, and like a rock. Okay, hard like a rock. Like this you have to complete till here, children. Page number 53 you have to complete till summary. Okay, that means with this we will complete our similes. Okay children, please do this one and this one and this one and companion also that match the following, and try to write the 2 sentences by your own. This is about today's English class, children. Hope you all understood this class. If you are having any doubts, please contact me personally. Okay, thank you so much. Have a nice day.